Yo, yeah, nah. The shit about a Phantom, bro. I literally don't know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I be so out of the loop with everything, gang. I be so out of the loop with everything, bro. Like, even bro, Phantom called me and I missed it because I was sick, gang. So I could have got his side of things, but I ain't even answer the phone, bro. I tried to call him back, bro, but I feel like he just, bro, you can't just like, I don't know, the nigga not available all the time, bro. You miss his call once, bro, you might not get a call for the next 2 days, gang. So that's just how it is. Stop the cap, bro. I ain't got nothing to lie about, bro. Let's see. But I do love him. I know that he was in the DR when